The library catalog has a simple but incredibly useful feature called projects, which can help you organize and manage item records you find while searching. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Then click the account link in the top right corner to see all the item records you have saved from the catalog. If you're already signed in, you will see your account and all your saved item records. If you've not yet signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your OKey credentials. The screen refreshes, and now you see your account, which includes items you have on loan, records you've saved, and more. In the library catalog, a project is just another name for a folder that you can use to store item records. The easiest way to create a project is by clicking the Projects option in the dashboard menu. Then click the plus button to create a new project. Every project needs a name, and you can also add a due date and description if you would like. For this example, I'm going to use the name Wellness Article Research, since this project is where I plan to store everything I find in the library catalog that relates to an article I'm working on with some colleagues. For due date, I can use the calendar pop-up menu to select a date. If you're a student, you can look up dates in the syllabus for your courses to know when papers, projects, and presentations are due, and use those when creating projects to organize your research. Due dates are optional, but they are a useful way to help you organize your projects. Finally, you can enter a description for the project. Again, this is optional, but you might find it useful, especially if you have multiple projects for the same class. Click Save when finished, and you now see the project along with the due date. I'm also going to create a second project for my educational technology final paper. You can create as many projects as you want and sort them using the drop-down menu. We have other videos that show you how to add saved items to projects, edit projects, and more. But these steps are all you need if you just want to get started. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.